Welcome back, everybody. In today's video, I will be unboxing the Yealink MP55 E2 IP phone for Microsoft Teams. The MP55 E2 is a dedicated Microsoft Teams phone with native Wi-Fi and Bluetooth support. It also supports SIP and hybrid Teams mode. Designed for high-volume users, this Teams phone is great for call centers, front desks, and busy common areas. So now, inside the box right away, quick start guide. We're going to see the phone right there on top. And then underneath, just a bunch of cables, so I'll get to that. Right here we'll see on the MP55 E2, we'll have a 4.3-inch color display, and then we see 10 line keys along with a dedicated Microsoft Teams button. So we got the kickstand out of the box. We just slide that thing in, and then that phone will prop up just like that. Built on Microsoft device ecosystem platform with Android 15, the Yealink MP55 E2 delivers enterprise-grade security, modern connectivity, and reliable performance for today's business environments. Like I said before, it also features built-in dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, and a USB Type-A port for USB headset connectivity. And then from a connectivity standpoint, the MP55 E2 includes dual-port gigabit Ethernet with power over Ethernet support for simplified installation. I'm going to go ahead and get this handset plugged in. Wrap that through. Equipped with Yealink Optima HD voice and AI noise cancellation technology, the MP55 E2 delivers exceptional voice clarity for professional-grade communications. This will also have a full duplex hands-free speakerphone with acoustic echo cancellation, ensuring clear audio performance for speakerphone conversations. So remaining in the box is a Ethernet cord for PoE, power, as well as internet connection. Optional accessories would be a wall mount bracket or a power supply, as a power supply is not included in the package contents. So the MP55 E2 is a very sleek looking, purpose-built IP phone dedicated for Microsoft Teams. If you have any other questions about the MP55 E2 Teams phone, any other Teams phone, or any other products, make sure you check out our website at www.ipphone-warehouse.com or give us a call at 888-201-9056. Thanks again for watching, and we will see you in the next video.